Hello viewers, today we will discuss concept of events. In probability theory, an event is a set of outcomes of a random experiment. An event can be a single outcome or a collection of outcomes. Events are important in probability because they allow us to make predictions about the results of a random experiment. The probability of an event is a measure of the likelihood of that event occurring and is defined as the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes in the sample space. Examples of events in a random experiment might include rolling a die and getting a 4, drawing a heart from a deck of cards, or getting heads in a coin flip. The sample space, which is the set of all possible outcomes of the experiment, is used to define events. The probabilities of events are used to make predictions about future outcomes and to evaluate decisions based on those predictions.